We'd like to have a Guardian roof. We had certain people come to give us estimates, but the one that stood out the most was Mark from Guardian Roof. He was very loyal and we could trust him and everything seemed right, and we're really pleased we've had him.
We were impressed with the workmen because it only took 4 days to complete it. First day they took the old polycarbonate off and put the new roof on, all aluminium, real heavy stuff it was. And also the exterior ply was fitted and the felt was put on. And then after that we got the roofers came and put the roof on, that's it, the tiles. Then we got the joiners inside, they did a marvellous job in about a day. Plaster after that, 4 days, complete, finished. In fact, most days I spend time in here and having meals in here, which I could never do before. You know, you could sit and look through the window and enjoy the view. And, you know, what more can you want?
Finally, I'd like to say I wouldn't hesitate in offering HeatGuard the job again. Don't worry, you'll be in good hands and it's worth it all. Thank you.